Hello everyone, this is Abhishek and you are watching Padat Vigyan. So students, in this video I'll solve a question from the chapter Electric Charge and Field, and the question is already on your screen, so let's get started. The question is two equal point charges A and B are capital R distance apart. A third point charge placed on the perpendicular bisector at a distance x from the center will experience maximum electrostatic force when so we have four options given and we have to choose the correct answer. So I have drawn a diagram based on the question. So look at the diagram here. We have two point charges, two equal point charges Q and Q, so situated at the point A and point B. The distance between these 2 points is capital R. O is the center of this line AB. So AO distance is R by 2 and OB distance is also R by 2. On this perpendicular bisector, I have a point C which is at a distance x from the center O. And at this point C, I have another charge small q. So the question is, we have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x in terms of capital R, such that this charge the small q will experience the maximum electrostatic force. So let's solve this question. So students, remember that for force to be maximum, what is the condition? The condition is the electric field at C. The electric field at C should be maximum, because we know that if at a place we have a charge Q and E is the electric field there, then the force experienced by the charge at that point is Q into E. So if E is maximum, then definitely the force will be maximum. So let us first find the expression for the electric field at this point C. So we have two charges, capital Q, and both of them will produce electric field at this point. So if I draw the direction of electric field, then due to the charge at A, electric field will be in this direction. We know that for a positive charge, electric field is away from it. Similarly, for the charge at point B, the electric field will be in this direction. And again, we know that these two electric fields will have the same magnitude, because the charge has the same magnitude and the distance is also same. So this angle is 90 degrees. So if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, then this distance AC will be how much? R square by 4 plus x square square root. Similarly, this distance is also same, R square by 4 plus x square square root. So E1 and E2 will have the same magnitude, and what is the magnitude? The magnitude will be K into capital Q divided by distance square, and the distance is R square by 4 plus x square square root. So distance square means we will get this much. So E1 vector and E2 vector will have the same magnitude, and let us say this magnitude is E. Is that clear? So the total electric field will be how much? Let us assume that this angle is theta, then this angle will also be theta. So this angle will be 2 theta. It means the angle between the two electric fields is 2 theta. So E total is given by this formula, E square, or I can write E1 square plus E2 square plus 2 E1 E2 into the angle between them, cos of the angle between them. I can write cos 2 theta and then give this square root symbol. And here you can see that E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E. So you can write E square plus E square plus 2E into cos 2 theta square root. So that is equal to 2E square plus 2E square cos 2 theta square root, that is equal to 2E square. Taking common, you will get 1 plus cos 2 theta square root, that is equal to 2E square. 1 plus cos 2 theta will be cos square theta, and then give a square root symbol here. So it will be 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta. So the answer will be 2e into cos theta. So we got that the total electric field E total is how much? 2 into E into cos theta. So what is E? E is k q by r square by 4 plus x square. And what is cos theta? So look at the diagram here. If this angle is theta, then cos theta will be b by h, means cos theta will be x by square root of r square by 4 plus x square. So in place of cos theta I can write x divided by r square by 4 plus x square square root, and square root means power half. So this is equal to 2kqx divided by r square by 4 plus x square to the power 3 by 2. Is that clear? So this is the electric field, net electric field at the point C. So for E total to be maximum, this value should be maximum, because k is constant, 2 is constant, and the charge is also fixed. So this quantity x by r square by 4 plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 is variable, because it contains the variable x. So if this value is maximum, then the total electric field will be maximum, and hence the electrostatic force will be maximum. So remember that for E total to be maximum, this quantity x by r square by 4 plus x square to the power 3 by 2, this quantity should be maximum, and this quantity is a function of x. This quantity is a function of x. So from the knowledge of the differentiation or calculus, if a function is maximum, then its first derivative is 0. So d by dx of this quantity x by r square by 4 plus x square to the power 3 by 2, this quantity should be 0. We know that if a function has its maximum value, then its derivative will be 0. The first derivative will be 0. So let us write this condition, and from this condition we will get the value of x in terms of r. So this is equal to d by dx of x into r square by 4 plus x square to the power minus 3 by 2, and this is equal to 0. Now assume that this x is u, the first function, and this is v, the second function, and we can find the derivative. So derivative of the first means d by dx of x, that is 1, into the second as constant r square by 4 plus x square power minus 3 by 2, then plus first function as constant, and derivative of second means d by dx of r square by 4 plus x square power minus 3 by 2, this should be equal to 0. So this will be how much? R square by 4 plus x square whole to the power minus 3 by 2 plus x into so the derivative of this quantity will be how much? It will be minus 3 by 2 into r square by 4 plus x square whole to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 5 by 2, and then the derivative of this x square, which will be 2x, that is equal to 0. So the next step is I can write this quantity as let us take r square by 4 plus x square power minus 3 by 2 common, you will get 1. Then just look at the second term, 2 and the 1 by 2 will cancel, and you will get 1 minus 3 x square divided by r square by 4 plus x square. Is that clear? We will get this much. If you take r square by 4 plus x square to the power minus 3 by 2 common, you will get r square by 4 plus x square to the power minus 1 in the second term. So that is equal to this minus 3x square by r square by 4 plus x square. So uh, you can solve this on your own. And again this quantity is not 0, it means this quantity should be 0, this bracketed torque should be 0. So I can write that 1 minus 3x square divided by r square by 4 plus x square should be equal to 0. That implies 1 equal to 3x square divided by r square by 4 plus x square. That implies r square by 4 plus x square is equal to 3x square. That implies r square by 4 equal to 2x square. That implies x square equal to r square by 8. That implies x equal to r by square root of 8 or 2 root 2. So we got that if x equal to r by 2 root 2, then this value x by r square by 4 plus x square to the power 3 by 2 will be maximum. It means the electric field at the point C will be maximum, and hence the charge small q at this point C will experience the maximum electrostatic force. So we got that the first option is the correct one. So in this way you can solve this question. Hopefully you have understood the solution to this question. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. So I will come with some more numericals in the upcoming session. So till then, have a nice day and bye bye.